The poster you're looking at is from the Mission Impossible movie series. One of the most striking elements in this design is the typography. The font used is bold, modern, and minimal, perfectly capturing the essence of action and suspense that the franchise is known for. The capital letters with clean edges reflect strength and urgency, while the spacing gives it a high-tech, spy-like aesthetic. This type of typography is often used in action movie posters to create a sense of seriousness and thrill. The designers intentionally kept it simple yet impactful to ensure the title stands out, even from a distance. First, we create the poster boundary using the rectangle tool. And then we use the freehand tool to draw guiding lines that help us shape the text creatively. After creating the guiding lines, we select a bold font for the typography to make the text stand out and give it a strong visual impact. Now, using the text tool, we type our main title or message. Make sure to keep the text in uppercase for a more dramatic and powerful look. After typing the text, we convert it to curves by pressing Ctrl+Q. This allows us to fully customize and manipulate the shape of the text, giving us complete control over its form. Once the text is converted to curves, we move on to the perspective tool. Using this tool, we start adjusting the text to match the angle and direction of our guidelines. Carefully drag the corners to stretch and distort the text, aligning it with the perspective you want to create. Take your time during this step. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how realistic and dynamic the text looks. The goal is to match the shape of the text with the flow of your design so it feels naturally integrated into the layout. This technique is especially useful for posters and covers where you want the typography to look three-dimensional or to follow a particular path or motion. And once the design is ready, take a final look at the layout, spacing, and alignment. Make sure everything feels balanced and visually appealing. Now your typography-based poster is complete, bold, creative, and ready to grab attention. You've successfully used basic tools like rectangle, freehand, and perspective to build a professional design inside CorelDRAW. Keep practicing, stay creative, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more graphic design tutorials.